Hello everyone, welcome to the Power Query Basic, episode 7. Today I will talk about something very simple but very useful, how to replace values in Power Query. So now you see that I have some data loaded in the Power Query editor. When you select the column or columns, then go to the transformed replace value. Replace values here. Say I want to replace apple with banana. As simple as that. When I click OK, all the apples turn into banana. Magic. Okay, but let me show you something. I have just deleted the step. Let me do it again. This time I want to search for apple with 8 in uppercase. And then I want to replace with banana. And the result is nothing found. Why is that? Because Power Query is a case-sensitive language, so uppercase does not equal to lowercase. We have to be very careful about the case. Let me give you another example that you need to pay attention to. For example, this time I want to search for pen, P-E-N, and I want to replace it with something else. Say pen, replace with ABC. Okay, I'm just making it up. It doesn't really matter. ABC. Pay attention to pen and pencil. Oh, let's search for pen and replace it with ABC. So as a result, this one original was pencil, now becomes ABCCIL. I don't want it, so let me remove the step here, do it again. If we want some exact match for the entire cell content, actually there is an option. I want to replace pen with ABC. But this time I'm going to open the advanced option, make sure that we will check the match entire cell contents. There we go. Only pen will be replaced in this scenario. Okay, with the same principle, you may think about if we select a column with numbers. If I go to replace values, I want to replace 6 with 8, just for example. You may expect this will be replaced. Let's see. Indeed, it won't. By default, it will look for the exact match in the entire cell content for numeric number. That is cool. Okay, let me try again. How about I want to replace 66 to 88. I have to input 66 in the value to find and then replace with 88. There we go. Also, we can do the replace error. If we want to get rid of the error, simply go to replace errors. With, say for example, I want to replace it with nothing, with no. Then I have to input NULL here. Okay, there we go. And indeed, I can also replace node with 0. Right click on the cell I want to replace, and then in this shortcut menu, select replace values. The content of the selected cells is p-input, and then I can replace it with the value that I want, for example 0. That's it, as simple as that. Also remind you that we can do it on multiple columns. Say for example, I'm duplicate this, and I can do the control select to select multiple columns, and then go to replace values. Now I can look for the apple and replace it with banana for the 2 columns that I have selected. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye.